Your family, your community, your generation, they need you. Not tomorrow, not someday, but now. The question is, will you rise or will you let them fall? Somewhere, a mother struggles to feed her child. A young boy full of dreams is crushed by poverty. A nation is failing, not because there is no hope, but because those who could change it won't. And then there is you. You have the potential, you have the strength, the mind to make a difference, but the potential means nothing if you don't act. What if your family future depends on what you do today? What if your people are waiting for you to lead? What if the world is whispering we need you, but you do nothing? Will you watch them suffer? Will you step up, fight, and save them? This is your moment. You can stay in the shadows, make excuses, and watch the world burn. Or you can rise, take responsibility, and be the one who saves us. So tell me, will you fail them or will you save them?